Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device. On the application of TikTok, you will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will search about the application of TikTok and you will click. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you can go to Play Store. You will search about the application of TikTok and then you can update your app if you find updates. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.